Kanpur is one of the famous cities in Uttar Pradesh and has many industries running and providing lakhs of jobs. It has many good colleges जो देते हैं world class education and placement opportunities. क्या आपको भी अपने करियर को अपस्केल करना है? Then distance MBA in Kanpur can be the great option for you. But आखिर कॉलेजेस कौन से बेस्ट हैं? चलिए जानते हैं इस वीडियो में. Top distance MBA colleges in Kanpur. Chhatrapati Sahuji Maharaj University. Chhatrapati Sahuji Maharaj University provides the top-notch distance education programs. यहाँ से distance MBA कोर्स करने की फीस है 76,400 and the course duration is 2 years. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A++. The university focuses on industrial learning and skill development. Dayal Bagh Educational Institute. This university offers a very affordable distance MBA courses in Kanpur. Course fees is 12,000 and the course duration is 2 years. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A+. कोर्स का मेन मोटिव है to create a senior level efficiency in management among students. Amit University. Amit University is famous for its curriculum that blends theoretical knowledge with industrial trends and learnings. Amit University से distance MBA कोर्स करने की फीस है 1,79,000 and the course duration is 2 years. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A+. If we talk about its key feature includes online learning platform and a well-structured curriculum. Uttar Pradesh Rajshri Tandon Open University. This university provides a top-notch distance education courses with high academic standards. यहाँ से distance MBA कोर्स करने की फीस है 36,000 and the course duration is 2 years. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is B++. If we talk about its key feature includes experienced faculty, flexibility and convenience. Indira Gandhi National Open University. Indira Gandhi National Open University is a distance MBA college which has a high reputation as it offers a high quality distance education courses. Indira Gandhi National Open University से distance MBA कोर्स करने की फीस है 62,000 and the course duration is 2 years. The learning system is hybrid. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A++. Its key feature includes flexibility and a wide range of specializations from a different field. Manipal University. Manipal University is a great university which offers live and recorded classes for a distance MBA courses. It also offers a flexible fee programs as well. Manipal University से distance MBA कोर्स करने की फीस है 1,75,000 and the course duration is 2 years. The mode of education is distance and the learning system is hybrid. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A+. If we talk about its key feature includes experienced faculty, convenience and excellence for working individuals. Birla Institute of Management Technology. It is a good distance MBA college which offers flexible distance programs. से distance MBA कोर्स करने की फीस है 2,75,000 and the course duration is 2 years. The mode of education is distance and the learning system is online. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A+. Key feature includes a wide range of specializations from a different field and a reputed B school. The distance MBA course duration is 2 years and all these colleges and universities are affiliated with UGC, DEP, AICT and National Assessment and Accreditation Council. Lastly, the eligibility criteria for all these colleges and university includes a bachelor's degree of minimum 3 years duration with at least 50% aggregate, 45% for reserved category. More information, please reach out to Neve Education's website. Think online, think Neve.